Welcome to Select Room Heater Buying Guide in India. This presentation is by Zillow.in. So first of all, what are the types of room heaters? First, fan-based room heaters. These are also known as convection room heaters, blowers, ceramic coil-based heaters. Second type of heaters are radiant room heaters, also known as halogen, quartz, infrared room heaters or conduction room heaters. Third type of room heaters are oil-based room heaters. But first of all, you will be dazzled with so many types of names, just like fan based room heaters are also known as with three or five other names. So basically this confusion happened because different people try to classify differently. One is on the basis of the produce heal or heating material they have used, but we made it very simple so that with these keywords you can select on Amazon or Flipkart. So first is fan based heaters. They look like this. So if you think about its pros, they instantly heat up and its economical price range is within from 800 to 10,000 rupees. Also higher models will have some advanced features like thermostat, but bare bone version like this you will get within 800 rupees, and it is child safe also, so the surface won't be so much heat up. So how it works is there is a coil which gets heat up, hot air, it pulls a fan, pulls a hot air, and the coil heats that air and pull out of the fan once again push out that air. But if you consider cons, it consumes so much electricity. So usually it starts for 2000 watts consume. It's almost like a iron. And advanced models have 1000 watts electricity also, but still it is very high. Usually all these models comes for 2000 watts, and if you run overnight for a month, then easily you will get around 2000 to 3000 rupees monthly bill. And apart from that, they are noisy and loud as well. Second type of filters are radiant filters. They are also known as quartz, halogen, conduction, all these things. So if you see, there are so many pros, like it's best for one person, they instantly heat up, consume less electricity, they operate on 400 to 800 watts. Approximate electricity bill for keeping it all night for a month is 500 rupees to 1000 rupees only. And economical, you can buy it for 800, at max 2000. It's quiet, silent, everything good. But what are its cons? They are not child safe. Means the surface tends to so much hot, and if you touch you, it is a big fire, it's a hazard. So and children try to crawl and looks they colorful dazzle, so they want to touch it, so it's very dangerous. If you have children in your home, don't buy it. And they are not good for large room where there is it is not meant to heat a large room. It's meant to heat a small one person in a small room. It's best work for only one person. If there are two to three persons, it may not work efficiently as well. Okay, so it has its pros and cons. Yeah. Third is oil based heaters. Yeah, they are most advanced. Its technology is like basically they tends to heat up the oil. So and but it's not like a burning oil to generate the heat. It will act as a heat buffer or heat reservoir just for that. And best for large family, it consumes less electricity and if you run it for a month, then its prices electricity bill hardly 500 to 1000. They are quite silent, best to use all night long, child safe, and they are best in case you have a newborn baby because they don't modify the humidity in the air as well. Yeah. So but what are its cons? It takes little time to heat up. It is not like instantly within 2 minutes it will give you heat. It takes some time to heat up, 5 to 10 minutes. The biggest con is it's costly. They are very costly. It starts from 8000 to 12,000 rupees easily, but it comes with so many advanced features as well. Yeah, that's it. Here is a quick comparison. If you want to see, if you want to check child safety, then fan based and oil based are best, but not halogen. If you work with large space, fan and oil based. Less price means fan and ceramic, radiant. Energy efficient means radiant and oil. And less noise, yes, radiant and oil based. And low time to heat, instant heat is fan and radiant. We have given few examples also. You can easily we hope this guide helps you to select the best room heater. If you want to instead of reading and these buying guides, if you want to instantly give your requirements and want to select room heater, please use our room heater selector here. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.